Hi, so I am Brecht, or Extra Games, you can call me whatever. I decided to start my own gaming company, and mm, it's been several months since I made that decision. I've been trying to get up my game dev knowledge again. I used to go to game dev school for 2 years. I didn't finish it because I was doing other things in life then also, but I did like it, and I want to continue this now. I actually just recorded this video several times ago, but this is my first time on YouTube, my first video, and I'm here to share you my story of my progress so far as a game developer, solo game developer, and hopefully I'll be of help to some of you who are on the same journey, and maybe we can, partner up for some things, help each other out, maybe do some projects together, we'll see. But yeah, my goal here is to make revenue as a solo game developer as quickly as possible, but also as good as possible, because I want to become successful doing this thing. And I know that people say, like, in indie development, you don't make a lot of money and you have to live off leftovers, but I think that's definitely true for some people. But I also see a lot of developers who want to work like a regular job. They don't find a regular job, and they start making a game and they make money that way. And then on the other hand, there's also like game developers who want to make their career in game development, but then they don't find one, and then they go to regular development. So it's both ways, but I really want to try out game development since it's my expertise. Like, it's what I studied for both in school and by myself. So I now have about 3 years, almost 3 years of experience. 2 years of experience in C++, and now a few months in Unity and C#. So I have my experience in C++ and DirectX. This is where I made a mini game engine myself several years ago. But now I decided to focus more on Unity and C# because I think it's better this way with a pre-built engine. It's better for making money, I think, because it's less work, and it's just faster. That's why I wanted to do it this way. I've been trying. I decided I want to go into multiplayer games, so I've learned a bit about networking in the last months. I found out about Mirror with Unity. I did like a test project with it. It didn't work well. I found it a bit limiting in the start, so I decided to go with Tom Waylands, which is like a YouTuber also, who gave tutorials about C# sockets. So instead of using a solution like Mirror or Photon, you actually write your own networking solution, like a small networking engine, and you try it this way. Well, I really like this solution, but the problem is it doesn't work out for WebGL. And there's another YouTuber, Jason Wyman, who says that WebGL is really good for marketing because you have a lot more people that are willing to test out your game. It's just in a browser, everyone can access it, so it's a lot easier this way for people. So the problem is then when you have your normal C# socket solution, you can't export to WebGL because WebGL uses WebSockets, and that's an entire different thing to implement, and I don't know how to do that. So for the moment I decided, or at least I'm thinking, I'm just gonna go with Mirror, because Mirror uses like transports. It can both do normal desktop, and it can do browser, so WebSockets as well. This is why I'm thinking about going back to Mirror. So I made one game in the last 2-3 months. that I worked on. It's called Project Arena, and it's like an arena shooter. In you know, my inspiration is from Bloodline Champions, which is another indie game, and World of Warcraft Arena. And well, it's just like a prototype-ish noob game that I made, but the goal was to learn more about networking, and so I think the goal was like that goal is succeeded. But I find it a bit of a pity because I wanted to upload my game to a dedicated server and put it on my portfolio so that everyone can play my game and connect to the server. But the problem is my server is an Amazon Web Services, the AWS free server. So I only get 1 gigabyte of RAM, and in that 1 gigabyte of RAM, 100 megabytes is already taken by the Windows server just running the instance. That makes for me having only 200 megabytes of RAM left for my game, and I think this is the limiting factor. I think this is why my game isn't running, because I can see my game server isn't running because I can see the memory RAM going up to like maximum, and then I get an error. So I think this is the problem, but I don't know how to fix it, and I'm here in these mirror chat groups, but sometimes there's someone who wants to help out, but most of the time it's just people asking questions, and it's not the most progressive way to proceed with development this way, but I don't know what to do. I've talked about my project. Now I kind of, on the side, I also want to start a freelancing business, but that's not going that well. I feel like I still lack skills and to do this kind of thing. Also, I'm trying. I'm gonna start a new project now. I want to start a new game project, learn more about networking, more about RPGs, more about just making like a new game again. But I want to have better quality, and maybe I'll try. I don't know if I need to implement any services like PlayFab or something. I want to have like something reasonable I can do by myself that generates revenue. And I don't really know how to do that, but I'll keep you guys updated if I find something, and I hope like this is a way for me to share, and I hope like if there's something you can help me with, like leave a comment or something, and that will be appreciated. So I hope we can help each other out this way. Yeah, I think that's it for my first video. I'm gonna start thinking about what new project I can do and what direction I can take myself in for my next project. Alright, thanks. Peace out. Bye.